bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride. Maybe not. Hi everyone and welcome back. I want to do purple glitter eyeshadow today because I don't know, purple's so in fashion at the moment and I've got purple on, and you know, I've been going out everywhere to the shops trying to look for purple eyeshadow and I haven't been able to find any really, except I found from Estee Lauder some pinky purpley type eyeshadows, and I found this Currant Desire. It's a little palette with 5 colours in, and I'm just going to do my eyes with them and see what it looks like. So you get a little card like this and it's got natural, intensified and dramatic inside. I think I'll try and go for a dramatic look, although these look, I don't know if they look very pigmented or not, so we'll see. So get my little brush. I think I'll go for this colour here, that one, and take it just above my crease on the brow bone, and it's quite shimmery. I'm looking for a purpley look to go with some outfits I have over Christmas, so as purples and mauves, they're quite in fashion at the moment. You can find quite a bit going round, and I like purple colours because I think it just suits so many people, and it's a bit different to wearing black all the time. I think I'm going to go for, yeah, I think I'm going to stick the purple one over my eyelid and see. And it looks, well, it looks much darker in the palette than it does when I apply it, but that's okay. It's, yeah, I think it's quite pretty at the moment. I think I'm going to go for this brownie one and put it on my crease line and maybe in the corner, just to give it a little bit of a smoky look. So I'll take some of that one down there, bit of that, and just put it in my crease line. And why I like to put a colour in the crease line is because it just sort of intensifies the eye, gives it more of a smoky look. I'm going to take that same colour and I'm going to put it in the corner of my outer eye and just try and give it a little bit of a smoky look. I don't think I'm going to get that much of a smoky look because it's not a very dark colour, but it'll just darken it a little bit just to make it look a bit smoky. But I'm going to take that same colour and I'm going to put it under my eye now, and I'm taking it right out in the corner, bringing it under the eye and across. I want to try and give it a little bit of a cat eye here, so if I look down and just bring it right across and flick it up a bit as though you've got that wing. And I've got a couple of highlighters here. I've got a white one or a pinky one, but as I put purple on my eyes, I think I'm going to go with this pinky one there and highlight just underneath my eyebrow. I think the pinky one will probably match quite well. Okay, so I quite like this look so far. I think it's quite a good purpley colour. I do need some eyeliner, black eyeliner and some mascara. I think I might put some glitter on as well, as it is Christmas. Who else is ready for Christmas? I'm kind of ready. I did do all my Christmas cards early. Got most of all my presents. I'm not normally that early. Normally I'm late and I leave everything until the last minute, but this year no. So this palette, Currant Desire by Estee Lauder, number 06, it's quite good. I do like it. I love the purple, and it was the colour I've been looking for. But it is Christmas, and I think I might put a little bit of glitter on and just lighten it up a little bit. And I wasn't sure which glitter to use. I did find a purple glitter. You can find glitter everywhere, but I also found this Moon Dust by Urban Decay, and I found this little pinky one, and I think maybe this pinky colour would work quite well if I can open it over the purple. So I've got this all night setting spray from Urban Decay. I'll just get my brush and spray a bit on. Go, and I'm doing that because I'm not sure that there's not a lot of fallout from this glitter, so I'll just tap a little bit on, and let's see, put a little bit on my eyelid in the middle. Oh yeah, it brightens it up a little bit. Okay, yeah, that works quite well. I quite like that. Purple glitter eyes for a party, that'll do me. And I'm just putting a little bit of white in the corner of my eye just to brighten it up a bit. Sorry, I'm being disturbed here. I've got somebody, hold on. This is Pippi. Say hi, Pippi. Say hi. He loves all the fuss. Hey, he's a little tuxedo and he's quite sparky. He can get a bit angry at times. But he has been fed, but I don't know if he wants more. But he's probably just come to look for me. Oh, Pippi, off you go. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time. It's been a couple of hours and I'm still pleased with my eye look. I haven't had any fallout from the glitter, and I normally do all under here. I did use the Urban Decay All Night on the brush before I used the glitter, and that really helped, so I'm really quite pleased with that. I'll be using that with glitter again. Otherwise, yeah, it has lasted and I'm really pleased with this eye look.